Yeah, when you do the gym, when you do the PT, just love it. There's no reason. There's too much reason, too many reason. Just do it. You do it, you get stronger. The more you do it, the more stronger you get. I'm doing 35 right now. Before I'm doing 25, now I'm doing 35. I don't know. Just add 5, add more and more. Life is good. Life is good. I have a beautiful life. I love it. I can walk. I can eat. I can sleep. I can breathe. Breathe is good. It's hard to breathe in some situations. Some people cannot even breathe. Lucky you, you can breathe. You can see the world. I'm lucky. I'm just lucky. I can walk, sleep, eat, enjoy, play, enjoy the life. I don't know. There's a lot of pressure. You just fight for it. You just enjoy what you're doing. People don't like you. You don't care. You care what you love. You care your family. You care yourself. That's the only thing you need to care. I just care myself. I care my family. I care my job. I care my neighbor. I care what I can do. I just do what I can do. I cannot do anything I can't do. You do a squat. Squat is important. The leg is important. Using your back straight. Not using your back, using your leg. Never using your back. Never bend your back. Always straight. Down, up, down, up. Using your back. Sometimes it may hurt your back. It may hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. No, don't hurt yourself. Man. Oh, what a good day. What a good day. Here's Montreal, here's Canada. It's a beautiful day. I just love it. Summer's coming. Winter's almost gone. Let's see the yard. I got project to do. This is the deck, new deck. Look at that trampoline. The snow. No more snow. Welcome, summer. I will enjoy the summer. It's my summer. This summer is great. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Life is good. Keep going, keep doing. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. I will keep posting some video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Please subscribe. Appreciate.